Brenda, welcome back. This vlog is pretty much really different. It's really short. You guys can probably already tell. I was hesitant about posting it. A couple factors came into play as to why this vlog is so short and why I'm coming to you from the future. So I'm actually editing this video as we speak, and I've decided to pull out the camera and film a proper intro and outro because apparently I did not film it. And that is because basically when the year started, I came down with something and I got sick. And I was sick as a dog, and then I got better. And when I got better, I decided to film, which is this vlog that you guys are watching. And I wanted to film a weekly vlog, a jam-packed, lengthy, good old weekly vlog, but apparently I couldn't get myself to get back into the rhythm of things, you know, after being out of like the rhythm of vlogging. So I ended up filming very little, and when I went back to edit everything, I realized I don't have a lot of footage. This is a short vlog. Should I even post it? I'm going to post it because I like it when my favorite YouTubers post, even if it's a mini vlog. So that's kind of what I'm doing. This is kind of like an out of the blue type of vlog that I'm going to do on this channel, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Another factor that came into play is that if you guys don't know, my husband and I live with my parents currently, and it's really difficult to film like I used to when we were on our own because I don't want to just pull out the camera and record when my family is around, and because of their availability and mine, sometimes, you know, I'm not able to film when and how I want to. So that was a factor that played into this vlog as well. But enough talking about what and how this vlog went down about filming it. I just went ahead and filmed it for you guys. I'm producing it the best of my ability to keep you guys engaged and entertained and keep you in good company, really. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. And aside from that, I also want to ask you guys, what type of vlog style would you prefer? Because again, living here with my parents is a bit more difficult filming. So I can go about filming a weekly vlog where I just film the highlights of my day and just try to do that. Or I can try and, you know, push with whole day vlogs where I walk with you guys, you know, sharing my good old healthy habits, cooking, working out, and so forth. So let me know what type of vlogs you guys want to watch. Getting ready because we're gonna be heading out to dinner, and we're gonna go to the movies to go watch Sonic the Hedgehog. But as I was getting ready, my husband told me that my brother-in-law, my little brother-in-law, grabbed us a couple of Disneyland souvenirs. Can I show them your Millennium Falcon?
It's like a cool, like, aluminum steampunk Millennium Falcon. Pretty cool.
Super cool. And he grabbed us this adventure book, which is super cute. I cannot wait to fill it in. As you guys already know, I told you that I'm into scrapbooking right now, so this is just like a perfect edition. I mean, I don't know if it's a scrapbook, but it's inspired by the movie Up. And then you open it up, and it's inspired by the beloved Disney and Pixar animated film Up. Super cute. So can't wait to fill this book up. Really like the detail of the book too, the little strap and the material on it. Super cute. Happy next day. We're running some errands, so that's pretty much going to be the highlight of today. We're going to go to Bass Pro Shops. It's basically an outdoorsy store. It's huge. I don't know which one we're going to, but let's take you along so you guys can see what it's like in there. It's basically outdoorsy hobby. Think of camping, kayaking, hiking. Welcome fishermen, hunters, and other liars. Firearms and bows. Wow, look at this. Offshore angler area with a shark. Look at this funny looking bear. So relaxing. Whoa. We're gonna see right now. The whole store. Here by the candle section. That one's good for the bathroom. Pumpkin. Let's see this one. Apples and pumpkins. You like that one? It's a moose, right? We're gonna go visit Wilbert the horse this evening. Hopefully he's there. Did you get it? I will let you rest. You have a good evening. By now, y'all should be at the end of the video. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. And most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye.